In all the world, there are only a handful of electric tugboats in operation. We'll now see two of them hard at work in Vancouver's magnificent harbor. I want to congratulate everyone involved, from SAAM Towage to their First Nations partners, from Teck Resources to Oldendorf Carriers, from Neptune Terminals to the Port of Vancouver, from Corvus Energy to BC Hydro.
And this dream of innovation couldn't become a reality without the help of those values-aligned partnerships.
I grew up right here on these grounds. I'd like to put my hands up to SAAM for over 9 years working together. Finding ways above and beyond reconciliation on how we can work together.
Bless and bring together all people who journey upon it.
We operate in the towage business from Canada all the way down to Chile.
And it's inspiring to be here among so many leaders that share such a strong commitment protecting the environment for future generations.